In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in monday.com so you can visualize project timelines, track progress, and manage task dependencies. Start by opening your project board and making sure all your tasks are listed. Each task will appear as an item on your Gantt chart. Next, add a timeline column by clicking Add Column and selecting Timeline. Enter a start date and end date for each task. These dates form the foundation of your Gantt chart. If your project contains dependent tasks, add a dependency column and link related tasks together. This allows monday.com to display task relationships and scheduling dependencies automatically. You can also add a people column to assign team members to each task and improve accountability. Once your board is ready, click the plus Add View button near the top of the board and select Gantt. monday.com will automatically generate a Gantt chart using your timeline data. To customize the chart, click the Settings or gear icon in the Gantt view. Here you can change the timeline scale between days, weeks, months, or quarters. Group tasks by status, owner, or other columns. Enable baselines to compare planned versus actual schedules. Use color coding to highlight task status. Create milestones for important project events. As your project progresses, the Gantt chart updates automatically, giving you a real-time view of schedules and dependencies. When finished, you can share the Gantt view with your team or export it for presentations and reporting. That's it. With timeline, dependency, and Gantt views working together, monday.com provides a powerful way to plan, track, and manage projects from start to finish.